very happy that he said yes so fast, and I'm sure he liked something in the book and probably something about me as well. So, so that's the reason he's here. Thank you very much, sir, for coming. And secondly, I'd like to give a little bit of a background of K.S. Ramarao Garu. Not that he needs a little bit of background. From his early career, Ramarao Garu was an ardent fan of Puttanna. When Ramarao Garu heard he was making the film Nannu Preminchu entirely with newcomers, he went with him and brought the rights with 50,000 rupees borrowed from a friend and drawn from the recently opened Hong Kong Bank. For publicity, he created, and my father is a big fan of Rao Gopal Rao, so I know that he has watched those movies at least some 15 times. So that's his background. Second, I'd like to introduce you to Srimati Balabhadra Patruni Ramani. Balabhadra Patruni Ramani, so that we know that the name is right. And she's a renowned Telugu novelist, story writer. I'd like to also thank the media who's come today, and I see that people have come from Hindu, Eenadu, and Namaste, and many other media people. Besides, obviously, I can see the TV channels as well today. So thank you very much for coming today and trying to cover this event. So the way that we'll go about this event is I will try to talk a little bit about myself for the first one. We'll just give you an introduction. And after that, we'll talk about the book Unusual People Do Things Differently. And after that, we will talk a little bit about Along the Way, in which I will request Ramani Garu to share her views as well. And then we'll take it from there. Just to give you an idea, it was in 2010 or so, I was an avid jogger. I used to jog almost 5 to 8 kilometers every day, and I did for about 10 years time. And then my ankles hurt, so I went into 2 ankle operations. So I was in wheelchair for about a year's time at home. And then initially I watched movies, I surfed the channels, and I read a lot of books, etc. And then got bored. Then I said, let me do something significant, something meaningful, which I've never done before. Let me do that. So I started writing about all. Lesser than this, I would think there is a problem. Because when you're going before the operation, your BP should be high. So don't worry, you are in good hands. And then she told me in 2 other sentences that, look, 99.9% of the people here who come to this hospital, they get cured and they walk out. And we tell them don't ever come back. Unlike any other business, we'd say please come back. In a hospital, we never say please come back. Right? So she said, don't worry, it's just a 10-minute keyhole surgery. And then she took my weight and then she said, don't worry, your weight is just 1 kg more. I've seen people with 20 kgs more. So she was continuously giving me those reinforcements that, don't worry, you'll be just out in about 10 minutes, your BP is fine, it should be actually high and all that stuff. And then I was so scared, so what she did was she took me directly from the room that I was in to the operation theatre and then got into anesthesia within 4 minutes. So by the time I woke up, it was 6 hours later. So much amount of contextual sensitivity. Okay, so much. I mean, how many people, how many nurses, how many people actually hold your hands like this and tell you, don't worry, I'm with you. And that's why I found her extremely unusual. Very unusual. That is the kind of contextual sensitivity that we are looking from people. Okay? Now I'll give you another story. This is about Azim Premji. I know pretty much everybody knows about Azim Premji, right? He is Mr. Premji is a very renowned figure in India. He is the chairman of Wipro Corporation, and this was in '93. I was just graduating out of TI in the top 10 tellers. Because this is a book for every student. This is a book for every corporate person. If you're a manager, student, executive from any industry, may it be film industry, may it be from hospitality, no formula, there is no algorithm here. These are real life stories of 65 people. Alright? So I can go on and on about this, but before
Madam.
Yeah, both.